In this video, I'm going to show you how to return Savana products, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your Savana application, and once it opens, log into your account. Now, after logging in, what you want to do is go to the Orders section, and this is where all your purchased items will appear. Now, if you have an order listed here, just find the product you want to return and click on Request Return or Return Item next to it. Now, after that, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the return, so you can select something like wrong size, damaged item, or change of mind. Now, in some cases, Savana may ask you to upload photos of the item before approving the return. So if that option appears, just upload the required images. Now, once you submit the return request, Savana will send you return instructions or a prepaid shipping label through email. Now, after receiving the email, just pack the item securely and send it back using the courier mentioned in the instructions. Now, once Savana receives and checks the item, they will process your refund or replacement, depending on what you selected. And that's it. That's how you return products from Savana. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.